Welcome back to NextDev Nation. It's Nathan Jean, your fellow software developer. If you're watching this video, you're either a software developer, junior, senior, or you're considering becoming a software developer. Just want to make a real quick video talking about the NextDev Community Knowledge Base. It's a free resource and a free site that I put together. I'm constantly updating it with new content. The long and short of it is it's a Notion website, and I'm plugging in new discoveries that I find, or I'm plugging in topics and content around like career as a software developer. So the goal of this resource is to constantly provide you some new exciting discoveries, some useful advice, and this is a knowledge base, right? So I'm just trying to document all of my knowledge and experience as a software developer, as an employer, as a business owner who runs a software development agency. And I'm trying to disseminate that information into one cohesive place where you have access to it. So you'll see on here, there's a couple tabs on this homepage. There's the tools page. And so say, for example, I discovered the other day the Redact API. So I found that there's this API that you can leverage, which will redact personal information or sensitive information in a single call for you. So rather than building your own, you could leverage something like this. And so I posted this on June 29th. It's June 7th, 2023 today. There's going to be some more content coming in here, basically as my dev team discovers things, which my dev team right now is 20 plus developers. So they're typically discovering things relatively often. I'll be throwing these things up in here and referencing them for you to discover and to explore. And beyond that, there's some career advice too. So this is coming from a fellow software developer's perspective or coming from an employer of fellow software developers. And so my goal for this section of the knowledge base is basically to give you the tools and the tips and the techniques to succeed as a software developer. Right now, it can be a little difficult if you're a junior dev. It's kind of hard out there right now. Hopefully that'll turn around. But I think I'm able to provide you guys some value and teach you some things that might help you grow within your career goals. So that's what the knowledge base is. It's a never-ending update of content, just trying to provide information in one cohesive area that's not just YouTube videos or social media posts. So like I said, the link will be in the description here, and I hope this knowledge base is helpful for you. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. If there's anything specific you'd like to know about, I would love to be able to put that into the knowledge base as well. And yeah, happy coding.